welcome back to my channel, bro. In this channel today, I'm gonna teach you how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube, and it's gonna be really easy tips that every small YouTuber should like fucking do right now to get 100 subscribers, bro. So like, that's how I got my first 100 subscribers. The tips that I'm gonna tell you right now. So like, yeah, let's get right into the video. So tip number 1, bro, start your channel, bro. Just start your channel, bro. If you're a small YouTuber, if you wanna be a YouTuber, you just gotta start, bro. Because most people start a YouTube channel and they're really scared of like what people are gonna say, their school and shit, their friends, bro. Just tell your friends that you're doing YouTube, bro. So like, don't fucking roast you or something, bro. But like, most of the time they don't roast you, bro. So like, make sure you start your YouTube channel. Just like start. Don't wait for anyone. Don't listen to anyone's bullshit, bro. Just start your YouTube channel, bro. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, that's the first tip I'm gonna give you, bro. The second tip is promote your channel, bro. You created a new YouTube channel, right? You gotta promote your channel, bro. So like, you gotta first you got your YouTube channel. Share your link with all your friends, bro. That's how you're gonna first basically get your 20 subs from your friends and family, bro. You're gonna get your fucking first 20 subs. From then, you tell your friends and family to share the link with their friends. You know what I'm saying? Tell your friends to share the link with their friends. Tell your family to share, or your brother, your sister, your mom, anyone. Just tell your family to share the link with other people, bro. That's how you're gonna get probably 50 subscribers. Easy like that, bro. It's that simple, bro. Yeah, that's tip number 2, bro. Tip number 3 is, bro, comment under people's videos, bro. I'm gonna say all the bold shit I did, bro, to get 100 subscribers in just a week. Comment under people's videos, bro. Like, go to like, don't go to like famous YouTubers. Don't go to old videos of famous YouTubers, bro. Okay, for example, just go on a YouTuber's page, maybe like a small YouTuber or a young YouTuber. Go on the page, go under the comment section, type something nice. Great video, I like your content. Just type something nice. That's gonna give you a higher chance of the person to check out your channel, and you're gonna get more subscribers like that, bro. Another thing, bro. Tip number 4, bro. That's another thing you guys should never do in tip number 4, bro. Don't sub for sub, man. When you sub for sub, it's not gonna really help your channel to grow. It's gonna like, all those subscribers are dead people, bro. They're really gonna watch your videos. They're just there for them. It's like me mentality. Like, you're giving yourself that me mentality when you do sub for sub, bro. Don't do sub for sub, man. That's tip number 4 that I'm telling you how not to do. Don't do sub for sub, okay? Then tip number 5, bro. Man, you gotta have a good channel, bro. The channel, like your layout gotta be good, bro. Your channel layout gotta be good, bro. You gotta have a good thumbnail. You gotta have a good, what you call, banner. You gotta have a good profile, you know, that profile picture. Okay. Yeah. You gotta have a good profile picture, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have a good profile thing, dog. You gotta create a nice profile picture that's gonna attract people, and a better that matches the profile picture, bro. Don't have that mess. You know what I'm saying? That miscalculation thing where like the banner's like yellow, then the thing's like green or something, bro. Just make it look similar, you know what I'm saying? And your thumbnails. Make bold thumbnails, bro. Make thumbnails that people can like click, bro. Make thumbnails that are gonna make people, make people to like your video just because of the thumbnail, bro. Even if your video is trash, bro, and the thumbnail is good, it just you got that click rate, man, nigga. That's it, bro. If you have a good thumbnail, you're good. You know what I'm saying? Like, tip number 6, bro. Stay consistent, bro. Just stay consistent. Keep on posting your videos every day, bro. That's the rule. Just keep on posting your videos every day. If you're a new YouTuber, let me just say you started YouTube like on a Monday, right? You gotta post at least 3 times a week, bro. Cause when people gonna go through your channel, they're gonna watch the first video. And usually when people watch your first video, they're not gonna really subscribe to your channel, but they're gonna watch the rest of your videos, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta watch the rest of your videos, you know what I'm saying? So I think I'm at tip number 8 right now, because I'm going through this really fast because I don't want to waste your time, guys. In tip number 8, bro, you gotta love YouTube, man. Don't do YouTube because you wanna get money, bro. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love YouTube. You gotta love making videos, bro. You gotta love being a creator, my nigga. Don't do YouTube for the money, because when you do YouTube for the money, That's not how you're gonna. That's how you're gonna quit YouTube, bro. Because you're gonna you're not getting subscribers because you're only doing this shit for the money. Like you're gonna be doing stuff for sub and shit, and you think, oh, I'm gonna get money. You're not gonna get money, bro. Just don't do YouTube for the money, bro. Do it because you love doing YouTube, man. Be genuine in this shit, bro. That's my last tip for y'all, bro. So yeah, let's get it, gang. Thank you for watching my video, by the way. You can check out my old videos. Yeah, you can check out my old videos, bro. So thank you for watching the full video. If you didn't, fuck you.